4 Essential tips to properly care for your glasses. More and more people wear prescription glasses. So much time on the computer may be to blame, although there are many possible causes. However, did you know that not taking care of your glasses may also be a reason for your vision problems? That's right. Keeping the lenses clean and scratch-free will help you see better and focus your sight where it's meant to go. Clean glasses equals optimal vision. It's not that your short-sightedness or stigmatism will be reversed by wearing glasses, but it will at least keep it from progressing. First of all, it's important to keep your glasses centered and properly adjusted. This is so they don't fall when you move your head, of course. In addition, it helps to ensure maximum quality vision, as well as to prolong their useful life. If your prescription doesn't need to be changed and your glasses are in good condition, there is no need to change them every year when you see your eye doctor. Since almost all glasses are made out of light and delicate materials, it's essential to be very careful with them. What should I clean my glasses with? The first question you should ask. At the store, you'll find many brands of liquid spray cleaners to keep in your bag or on your nightstand or desk. However, they can be pricey. As a cheaper option, you may want to just use water and a neutral soap. It's best if it's liquid. The steps to cleaning them this way are as follows. Place your glasses under the faucet. Let the water generally wet your lenses. Apply some soap to your fingertips. Gently rub both sides of the lenses. Rinse with clean water under the faucet. Dry with toilet paper, a paper towel or a gentle washcloth. Make sure all metal parts are thoroughly dried. And what about when you don't have water available? In this case, you can use a microfiber cloth. The above-mentioned sprays wet wipes ultrasonic glasses cleaners. How do I properly clean my glasses? If you're on the street and can't get to a bathroom to clean your glasses that have just gotten dirty, you can use a cloth. We recommend keeping one of those with you. Just like when you dry them after washing them with water, you should hold them well so they don't break or get crooked. If you hold one side and clean the other, the usual way, it will put too much pressure on the bridge and they could break in half. If you use rimless glasses, the lenses could shatter, too. To finish cleaning the lenses, you must also clean the frame, especially the parts that are in contact with your skin or hair. This includes the bridge that touches your nose and the earpieces that rest on your ears. When it's hot or sweating a lot, these areas especially tend to get dirty. To get the grime off, you'll need soap and water. Some people like to use a hairdryer to make sure the hinges and screws don't rust or get stuck. How should I put on and take off my glasses? Putting glasses on improperly can make the earpieces crooked and even make them fall to the floor if not careful. You should always use both hands to put on and take off your glasses. If you do it with just one hand, putting pressure on the hinge of the other side, the next time you wear them, they won't stay on well and may even get broken. Accessories for glasses. There are 3 things you should have if you wear glasses. An eyeglass case. It should be hard and fit your glasses well. If you drop it, sit on it, or jostle it with other things in your bag, there shouldn't be any problems. A cord or strap. Maybe you don't like the ones you see on children or older adults. However, they can help if you use your glasses just to read, if you don't always have them on. Nevertheless, it's important to remember that it can also actually be somewhat dangerous to walk around with your glasses hanging from your neck. After all, they can bump into things or get caught. A cleaning cloth. It's not just good for cleaning them when they are dirty. A cleaning cloth is also useful for wrapping the lenses up when they are in their case. More tips for taking care of your glasses. Besides cleaning and transporting them properly, here are some more tips to help you take care of your glasses, whether they are prescription or sunglasses. Don't leave them face down on your desk or nightstand. Keep them out of extreme heat, like in the car. Don't use your clothes to clean the lenses, especially jeans or wool. Every few months, it's good to take your lenses to the eyeglass shop to get deep cleaned. If they are very tight on your head, you may want to get them checked out, too.